afternoon to the evaluators across this platform. My name is Vaishnavi.
My name is Poonam.
We are currently studying Class 12th at PM Shri Government Model Senior Secondary School, Sarkaghat, District Mandi, Himachal Pradesh.
We are presenting our model in Himachal Pradesh STEM Hackathon. Under the theme Tech for Wellness, Equity for All, Wellness हेतु टेक्नोलॉजी सभी के लिए समानता.
So why was Vani Lexa created? As writing is not just an academic skill, it is a way to express your knowledge, confidence and independence. But unfortunately, not every student is physically able to do so. So we have created Vani Lexa to overcome this problem. The education system places strong emphasis on handwritten work for learning, note-taking and assessments. Yet it fails to support students who cannot write independently due to the physical disabilities, motor disorders or injuries. Such students often depend on writing helper, creating problems such as misinterpretation of answer, loss of confidentiality, psychological discomfort and reduced control over responses. The constant presence of another person during academic tasks can negatively affect concentration, confidence, and self-expression. These challenges become severe during examination, where time limits and performance pressure demand independence and precision. In many cases, trained writing helpers are unavailable, causing delays or unfair disadvantages.
Moreover, existing digital alternatives usually require internet access or personal devices, making them unsuitable for controlled examination environments. Consequently, academically capable students experience inequality, not because of limited understanding or efforts, but due to the lack of a reliable and independent solution. Vani Lexa is the final answer for this.
So we are here to present Vani Lexa, helping hand arm for inclusive education, which converts our spoken words into real handwriting by using a real pen on a paper. This is a sketch of a student using Vani Lexa. Vani Lexa, helping hand arm, is voice-controlled assistive device designed to enable independent writing for students with manual writing difficulties. Spoken input is captured through a microphone and processed offline on a Raspberry Pi, which converts speech into text and generates special commands. These commands are sent to an Arduino Uno, which acts as the control unit for the CNC XY plotter or any other plotter used in future for upgradation of Vani Lexa. The Arduino drives stepper motors through motor driver modules, allowing accurate pen movements across X and Y axis to reproduce handwritten text on paper. The CNC plotter ensures controlled, repeatable, and neat writing using a real pen. A rechargeable lithium-ion battery powers the entire system. In future, solar energy-based such classrooms and examination halls with the facility of Vani Lexa helping hand or arm will be established. The main hardware component used in Vani Lexa are Raspberry Pi, which act as the brain of this whole mechanism, Arduino Uno, which control the CNC motion. And other components are motor driver, stepper motor, XY plotter and a lithium-ion battery. In future, all these components can be integrated into the robotic arm. The main software components are operating systems, Raspberry Pi operating system, Linux-based operating systems, speech recognition libraries, Whisper or Ghost. CNC control software which include GRBL firmware which control the Arduino Uno and have G-port standards. captures the voice and sends it to the Raspberry Pi. Raspberry Pi converts the speech into text in the form of G codes. These G codes are then sent through USB to the Arduino Uno, which decodes the G code and help in the precise X, Y and Z direction movements, which control the stepper motor and the motor drivers to ride in x-axis, y-axis and z-axis with the help of a CNC plotter mechanism. So why is our model innovative? It is first of its kind in India and the whole world. It converts voice to actual words. It replaces the need of writing helper during examination, which is the most important thing of our model. It promotes assistive and inclusive education and can be used in the rehabilitation therapies. It enables the specially able person to write independently and gives them human touch feeling. It has multiple future applications too.
Impact and purpose of this model. It helps differently abled orthopedic person and patients. It is useful for individuals with weak motor control. They can write through voice. It supports paralyzed patients. It promotes inclusivity and accessibility in education. It preserves the creative and cognitive value of writing.
Now, what are the benefits of our model? It is an effective tool for inclusive education, as inclusive education means equal opportunity for all, not sympathy. Vani Lexa is the final answer for this. It helps differently able people, enable people with orthopedic or physical impairment to write or draw just by speaking. It encourages creativity and expression. It bridges technology and humanity.
Future aspects of this model. It is multilingual and AI-powered version for creativity. It is used in hospitals for writing therapy. It has integration with IoT for smart note taking. It has industrial use for voice-controlled CNC machines. It leads to use of more efficient CNC plotter as we are used a simple and cost-effective CNC plotter.
Vani Lexa is not just a project. It is a voice of expression. It is a symbol of equality and a bridge between human thoughts